cabin crew be seated for landing. Welcome to Brisbane. Virgin Australia acknowledges the traditional owners of the lands to which we fly and pay our respects to elders past and present. The local time here is 2:30 in the afternoon, which is 30 minutes behind Adelaide time. 30 degrees outside and we should be getting you to the gate ahead of schedule today. For everyone's safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened and the aisles and exits clear until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off. Remember to take care when you open the lockers and make sure you have everything with you before you leave today. We will be leaving through the forward and the rear doors. If you are leaving through the rear door, there will be stairs to go down. So please mind your step as you exit, hold on to the handrails and remain on the outside of the markers on the tarmac. And if you're not comfortable with using stairs, just stay seated and leave through the forward door when it's clear. As we'll be refuelling, smoking, vaping or using e-cigarettes isn't allowed on the tarmac or anywhere in the terminal. You can now take your devices off flight mode, but note they can't be used on the tarmac. Well, thank you very much for flying with Virgin Australia today. We do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us. And on behalf of the entire crew, including our captain, Ryan Lech, First Officer David Flavel, Eloise, Harry, Rory and myself, Demi, we'd like to wish you a wonderful week ahead. And a special shout out to Carol for her 80th birthday today. Happy birthday, Carol. Thank you and good afternoon.